everyone.
We are from grade 6.
Now we are going to give a conversation on Earth Day celebration.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. What's special today?
Today is World Earth Day.
When is Earth Day celebrated?
Every year, Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd all over the world.
Why is Earth Day celebrated?
Earth gives us all the necessary things like food, water, shelter for the surrounding of the survival of life. That's why we celebrate Earth Day.
Who is the father of Earth Day?
Dyson and Seth is the father of Earth Day.
What is the theme of Earth Day 2024?
Planet versus Plastics is the theme of Earth Day 2024. Many scientists claim that Earth can be 4.5 billion years old. When is the first Earth Day celebrated?
The first Earth Day celebrated on April 22nd, 1915.
Bye, see you later.
Good morning. We are assembled here to take about the importance on Earth, save our Earth from the plastics. Let us talk about the condition and importance of the Earth.
Our responsibility is to save the planet and as well as we are living. But we are gathered was become we are more selfish to do such things, and as well as we are polluting the environment and our planet. Our approach is not able to save the earth, but all lives and plants have to be lived.
Educate. When you further your own education to help others to understand the importance and value of our natural resources. Conserve water. The less water we use and the less of running wastewater, it will be eventually end up in the ocean.
Choose sustainable. Learn how to make a seafood choice. Shop wisely, buy less plastics and bring the reasonable shopping bags.
Planted trees provide food and oxygen. They help in saving energy, clean the earth, help in climate change. Don't send chemicals in our waterways.
We should action and ensure about the activities that our environment is safeguarded. It is dirty to protect our environment.
Simple things to protect the environment. Avoid plastic, conserve water, plant trees, educate, and etc.
Use a public transport or walk to short distance whenever possible. There are different ways to help the environment. They are reduce, reuse and recycle, and the resources are used faster than it is renewed, and plant a tree and take care of it.
And the main cause of air exploitation is the use of plastic in the environment, and we will also save the future generations for the earth. Thank you.
Our future generation are best owed to live a happy and healthy life. It's all in our hands to do so. Let me tell some ways to save our earth. Like we should not waste water and food materials, and we should be aware to clean our society properly, and also we should.
So planet is the home for all living organisms. This Earth Day celebration must be helpful, bring awareness among the people and hand over Earth to the future generations with a safer way. That is the main duty for each citizen. So we promise that we will save our Earth. Thank you.